In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Welcome to my channel, The Scholar's Outlook, where you'll find the most innovative and insightful analysis on a wide range of topics. Be sure to watch the video and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Today's topic is very important and relevant. Exploring how the Prophet addressed injustice toward female. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ ended female infanticide. Pre-Islamic Arabia practiced the killing of newborn girls. The Prophet condemned this practice completely and declared it as a grave sin. He taught that raising daughters with kindness leads to paradise. This was a radical moral shift in a society where girls were often unwanted. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ granted women legal and economic rights. Women gained rights to inherit, own property, keep their earnings, and enter contracts and rights that many societies granted centuries later. The Prophet condemned domestic abuse. He taught the best of you are those who are best to their wives. The Prophet repeatedly instructed Muslims to treat women with kindness, respect, and dignity. He emphasized that caring for daughters is a path to paradise, highlighting their value and protection. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ protected women from forced marriages. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ invalidated marriages conducted without a woman's consent. Women were given the right to accept or reject proposal, which was revolutionary in a tribal society where marriages were often imposed. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was a transformative advocate for women's rights. His teaching affirmed women's equality before God. His teaching protected women's dignity and safety. His teachings granted women legal, economic, and educational rights. His teaching challenged oppressive cultural norms. His teaching elevated women's status in family and society. These reforms uplifted women and laid the foundation for a just and compassionate society. Thanks for watching.